Welcome to this technical guide on the HP EliteBook 850G6. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP EliteBook 850G6 won't turn on, you're not alone. This can happen due to several reasons, such as a faulty battery, a malfunctioning power adapter, or even issues on the motherboard. If left unattended, this problem can lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery or power adapter, depending on what the diagnosis reveals. Begin by ensuring your device is fully powered off and unplugged. Place it on a clean, flat surface to prevent any scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place for reassembly later. Carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage the clips. Once the back panel is off, locate the battery. It is usually situated at the bottom center of the device. Disconnect the battery connector gently using the spudger to avoid any damage to the surrounding components. If your problem lies with the battery, you can simply remove it by unscrewing it from its place and replacing it with a new one. If the power adapter is the issue, check the connector for any signs of wear or damage. If it needs replacing, unscrew it from the motherboard and install the new adapter carefully, ensuring all screws are tightened appropriately without over-tightening. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the necessary parts, reconnect the battery, ensuring it is securely attached. Replace the back panel by aligning it correctly and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Reinsert the screws and ensure they are tightened adequately. Before finalizing, power on your laptop to check if it turns on successfully. If it does, congratulations! You've completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly check the health of your battery and avoid overcharging your device. Keeping your laptop clean from dust and debris can also help maintain its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.